Hello, today we're going to talk about cleaning your alloy wheels on your vehicle. It's important to have the proper tools when beginning any cleaning process. So what you want to have is your all-purpose cleaner to remove the general debris from the vehicle, a hard bristled brush, and then the appropriate metal polish. You always want to make sure that you're using the right metal polish for the type of wheels that you're cleaning. I'll demonstrate basically the general process of cleaning your wheels. You're going to take your all-purpose cleaner, mist around the wheels, take your brush, and then brush. What this is going to do, this helps to agitate the cleaner and loosens any brake dust, tar, any kind of buildup that is settled onto the wheels. After you've brushed your wheels, you're going to take your microfiber cloth and then remove the cleaner along with any brake dust, debris, tar, anything that's adhered itself to the wheels. And if you have any, just gently wipe it down with the spray on the all-purpose cleaner again. Go over it a second time. And that's the first. Third step is using your polish. So what you're going to do, I'll fold my microfiber towel to the other side, and then just take a gentle dab of the polish, and then you're just going to work it in to the wheel. And as you polish, what you're going to do is allow the polish to, it'll start to haze on the wheel. So you're going to take another side of your microfiber towel and buff it off. And what you do this for the entire wheel until it's nice and shiny and back to its regular factory finish.